Easy patazonas and coffee. This one right here in front of you is a Mika microwave. It's a digital microwave. It's going for 17,499 Kenya shillings. 23 liters. Sawa. 23 liters. As you can see, it's a Mika. Has a 2 years warranty. It has a flatbed, auto menu, power levels, 5 power levels. Yeah. So in a kanama here is where is the power. Okay. As you can see right here, the glass is making it hard to focus on the yeah, there you go. So power, clock, weight, defrost. Unaweza ongeza ama reduce. Easy. Timer, time defrost. So unaweza ongeza time, reduce. This is for clock, okay? Yes, the clock kanaonyesha hapa hivi. Na pia with defrost pia iko hapa hivyo. So only for 17,499 Kenya shillings, you can come and get this one right here at Patazone. Karibuni sana.
It's a